Hi everybody, welcome to Story Group. We have lots of teachers here for our group today. Miss Jen, I'll be reading our story. Miss Jackie's here.
Hi.
Miss Barbara's here.
Hi.
And Miss Tay is here.
Hi.
Our book of the week is Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. Let's get started. Here's our friend Pete the Cat wearing his groovy buttons. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, and groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much. Miss Jackie, how many buttons is Pete wearing?
4.
That's a great number, 4. Let's count the buttons together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, Pete has 4 buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song.
My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons.
Nice singing. Pop! Oh no. One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 4 minus 1 equals 3. Miss Tay, how many buttons does Pete have left?
3.
3. Let's count his buttons.
1, 2, 3.
Right, nice counting. Pete has 3 buttons left. And did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. But he kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons.
Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. There it goes. How many buttons does Pete have left? 3 minus 1 equals 2. Miss Barbara, how many buttons does Pete have left?
2.
2. Let's count his buttons together.
1, 2.
Right, he's got 2 buttons left. Did he cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons.
Pop! Oh no, again! Another button popped off and rolled away. There it goes. 2 buttons minus 1 button equals 1. Miss Jackie, how many buttons does Pete have left?
1.
Let's count it.
1.
Pete has 1 button left. Did he cry about it? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. And he kept on singing his song.
My button, my 1 groovy button.
Pop! Oh no. The last button popped off and rolled away. There goes the last button. How many buttons are left? Let's see. 1 button minus 1 equals 0. Miss Tay, how many buttons does Pete have left?
0.
0 buttons. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt. What do you think he saw? His belly button. And he kept on singing his song.
My buttons still have my belly button.
And Pete knew it's all good. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing because buttons come and buttons go. And Pete knows it's all good. The end. That Pete really knows how to go with the flow, huh? So let's go back over our story. First, we saw Pete with 4 buttons. Miss Jackie, what number?
4.
You're right. 1 fell off. Then Pete had 3 buttons. Miss Tay, what number?
3.
Right. Then another button fell off. Goodness. He had 2 buttons left. Miss Barbara, how many buttons?
2.
Right. Then another button fell off. Can you believe it? There was 1 button left. Miss Jackie, what number?
1.
Right. When the last button fell off, there were none left. Miss Tay, what number do you call it when there's none left?
0.
0. There were 0 buttons on Pete's shirt. But did he cry? Goodness, no. He found his belly button. And Pete knows it's all good. Thanks for joining us for story time. We'll see you guys next time.